Have you ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? You're not alone. Many of us are juggling work, family, and personal projects, and it can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you there are tools out there that can save you hours every week? I know, it sounds too good to be true. But trust me, these AI tools have changed my life. I used to think AI was just for tech geniuses or something out of a sci-fi movie. But when life got busy, I realized I needed help. I was drowning in emails, struggling to keep track of tasks, and always feeling like I was behind. That's when I discovered AI tools. They've turned my chaotic schedule into something manageable. Now I get more done in less time, and it feels amazing. Curious about how you can do the same? Let me walk you through my top AI tools that changed the game for me. First up is ChatGPT. This tool has become my brainstorming buddy. There are days when my brain just refuses to cooperate. I'll sit down to write an important email or blog post, and nothing. That's when I turn to ChatGPT. It's like having a super smart friend who's always available to help brainstorm ideas or polish up a rough draft. Just last week, I needed to write a professional email for a freelance project. I couldn't get the wording right no matter how hard I tried. So I typed my messy version into ChatGPT. In seconds, it came back with a polished, friendly email. It saved me at least 30 minutes and a ton of stress. You can use ChatGPT too. Ask it to help you write social media captions, summarize long reports, or even give you new business ideas. It's a lifesaver. Next on my list is Grammarly. We've all been there. You hit send on an email, then notice a glaring typo 5 seconds later. I've done it more times than I care to admit, but not anymore. Grammarly is my secret weapon. It checks everything I write for grammar, spelling, and even tone. One time, I almost sent an important email that sounded unintentionally harsh. Grammarly suggested a kinder, more professional tone. Crisis averted. You can use Grammarly for anything. Whether you're writing an essay, a cover letter, or a quick message, it will make sure your writing looks polished. Now, let's talk about Notion AI. I've always struggled to keep my life organized. Sticky notes and to-do lists were everywhere, but nothing seemed to stick. Notion AI changed that for me. Now I have all my tasks, projects, and ideas neatly organized in one place. I use Notion AI to plan my entire week. It helps me create to-do lists, track my goals, and even break down big projects into smaller steps. Every Sunday, I spend just 10 minutes planning my week with Notion, and it makes a huge difference. You can start with a simple weekly planner in Notion. You'll be surprised how much more productive you'll feel when everything is in one place. Now let's move on to Jasper. Sometimes you just need a little creative boost. Jasper is perfect for writing blog posts, creating ad copy, or coming up with catchy social media captions. I was once stuck trying to write a catchy title for a blog post. Jasper gave me 5 awesome suggestions in seconds. It saved me at least an hour of frustration. You can use Jasper to generate fresh ideas, write product descriptions, or create engaging content for your business. So, how did AI give me my time back? Before I started using these tools, my days felt like one long sprint. I'd get to the end of the day and wonder what I had actually accomplished. Now I can focus on the tasks that really matter while letting AI handle the repetitive stuff. For example, I used to spend hours planning my social media content. Now I use AI tools to help me schedule posts, write captions, and even suggest hashtags. What used to take hours now takes just 30 minutes. It's not just about saving time. It's about reducing stress. With AI handling the little things, I can focus on what's important. I can spend time with family, pursue hobbies, and yes, watch a little Netflix guilt-free. If you feel like there aren't enough hours in the day, AI might be the game changer you need. These tools aren't just for business owners or tech pros. They're for students, parents, freelancers, and anyone who wants to get more done without burning out. Start small. Pick one tool that fits your needs and give it a try. You don't have to go all in right away. Once you see how much easier life can be, you'll wonder how you ever lived without AI. Imagine this. If AI saved you 5 hours every week, how would you spend that extra time? Would you finally take up that hobby you've been putting off? Spend more time with your family? Get an extra hour of sleep? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your ideas in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Let's help each other work smarter, not harder.